Hi, this is David Keenan with MicroQuant, and this is the free video for Monday, April 6th, 2015. Looking at this today in the NASDAQ, it's kind of funny because it doesn't look like very much, does it? It does look a little bit strange, but not anything out of the ordinary, right? We opened with a gap lower below the doji from Friday, and we make an equally low low here. And then about 10 minutes into the opening, I'd say even 5 minutes into the open, we start to run higher, and we run higher the rest of the morning. What's crazy was this move, there it is. You can see it. It was unrelenting, and it actually never slowed down. If I'm looking at a 5-minute chart, you can see it very clearly. There's the move, gap fill, consolidation, and a consistent run higher. I really think that the markets are trading like this primarily because there's really not much volume. Europe is closed, currencies are closed. So basically this is a knee-jerk reaction to that the bad jobs number, so we gapped down, and everybody saw that as an opportunity to run higher. I think once we broke above this swing high, it was basically set that we're going to just run higher the majority of the day. Now there is a chance we could get a pullback, maybe into the 50% retracement of this low to this high, but you can see it's about 1 o'clock and we're still driving higher. So today's not the day to kind of fight this. You just basically say, okay, the markets are moving higher today, and that's probably what we're going to get. If we get a pullback, it's going to be a pullback to the high of the opening range, maybe around 105.5 here. But again, the NASDAQ's pushing higher. Now, looking out, depending on how we move, now because we have a higher high, also we are above the 8 and the 50-day EMA. I actually am looking for the markets to move back into the 107.5, 108 level on the QQQs. I'm looking for a moderately overvalued level so I can watch the hourly. Once we hit that, I'm looking for an hourly for a rolling over kind of pattern, maybe a double top in the hourly, or just something that's rolling over, because I still believe in the fact that this is probably going to drop back. So that what you'll have is a slowly falling set of tops that we're going to really set up for a very strong pullback here in the first part of April. But we'll see how it develops and keep our eye on it, and I think we'll be well rewarded. At this point, I think over the next couple of days, we'll probably bounce back into the 108 level is what I'm expecting. So be careful trading. Thanks a lot.